Hello traders. Good morning, good afternoon and good evening depending upon your time zone. My name is Muhammad Azim and welcome to readyforex.com live weekly Forex forecast and Elliott Wave analysis. These are the currency pairs, the trading instruments that I am going to cover inside today's session. First, there is disclaimer. In speculation and investment, the name of the game is to make money. And in order to make money, you need a trading plan. You want to trade the market, but at the same time, you need a trading plan. You can't just jump into the market just because you think price is going to move up or down. I do offer Forex trading signals on a daily basis, so you could get daily Forex signals. Link inside the video description. And for those traders who are losing money in Forex trading, they could communicate with me via live chat using Skype Messenger. Again, link inside the video description. There are other ways and means to communicate with me, to talk with me. You can contact me via email as well. My website readyforex.com is online since 2006. So you can go over there and you can check out the contact us form. Okay, let me take a look at some charts and see what's going on. Okay, I'm going to get started with the euro dollar currency pair. Euro USD currency pair, daily time frame, and right now I would like to talk about this triangle pattern. This was a bullish running triangle Elliott Wave pattern, and if I zoom in a little bit, you can see that the price action is currently testing the broken trend line right over here. Okay, so the way I see price action is probably going to rise up more and then it's going to drop further in coming trading days. So I expect bearish wave A corrective leg in coming trading days. Inside 4-hour time frame, price action is printing lower swing highs and lower swing lows. To me, euro dollar pair trend looks down in 4-hour time frame. Next, let us take a look at 1-hour time frame. As far as the trading is concerned, a good idea is to look for a bullish pullback first at or around 0.786% Fibonacci retracement level. The value is 1.1203, and then maybe it is a good idea, for the market to expect a reversal. For those who are trying to sell at the current price level, I think it's not a good plan. Next, let us take a look at GBPUSD currency pair. Okay, pound dollar currency pair, I think we have seen the wave number 5 over here. This is not just the wave number 5, there are multiple wave 5s which have completed on higher degree, on higher scale or higher time frame like weekly and monthly charts. So if I zoom out a little bit, you can see that we have seen a bottom back in 2022. Okay, September 2022. And then after that, price action started this bullish impulse leg, and this is the fifth of the fifth wave. So I think we have seen a pretty good top over here, and market is probably going to drop in an ABC zigzag fashion in coming trading days. In 4-hour time frame, price action is printing lower swing highs and lower swing lows. To me, it's a downtrend in 4-hour time frame of GBPUSD currency pair. Next, let us take a look at 1-hour time frame. The trend is down in 1-hour chart. Intraday resistance is present at 1.3125 price level. Price action is most likely going to rise up to print bullish wave 2 corrective leg, and I expect a possible top at around 0.786% Fibonacci retracement level. The value is 1.3060. There's a round number present right over here. Let me show you what I mean by that. This is a round number, and price actually missed this level. Now people might ask, what is a round number? Sid is saying hello. Hi Sid. Okay, so a round number is 1.3000. This is the round number right here. Let me change the font size so it becomes easy to read. So this is a good resistance level right over here, and it is possible that instead of getting the pullback all the way up to 1.3060 level, price is going to test the round number and then it's going to drop. But the way I see, I think price has no respect for that level. If you look at the left hand side, let me zoom out a little bit. Right over here we got some resistance over here, and then the same resistance turned into a support, provided the support, and then price fired up. So I don't think that this round number is going to work this time. Also, it's a trending market environment. It's a volatile market environment going on, and due to this reason, you will notice big trading range days, or range expansions, so to speak. I'm getting questions. I will answer them momentarily. For example, over here, if you check out this big body candlestick, we got 212 pips move in one trading day in GBPUSD currency pair. So this is what I call a volatile market environment. And volatility means opportunity to make money, but there are some traders who do not like to trade the volatile market environments. The stop loss also increases as well. The size of the stop loss increases. So well, it could work two ways. I mean, the reward is also going to increase along with the risk, and I always say it is a good idea to trade the market with money management rules to control risk. So in GBPUSD currency pair 1-hour time frame, to be more specific, the red color highlighted area offers the sell trading opportunity, which is the previous second wave of 1 lesser degree. Next, let me take a look at US dollar yen currency pair. Yen is actually flying high, and I expect further upside in US dollar yen currency pair. I think market is going to rise up more before it actually prints a top. Okay, questions. Okay, Hamza Rana is saying why Elliot Wave is the ultimate best method of trading. Sid is saying I watch all of your videos daily and love and really appreciate your work. Okay, thanks for the appreciation. And why Elliot Wave is the ultimate best trading method? It is based on crowd psychology. Okay, I would say crowd psychology. Okay, that is the reason why it works best. the factors such as fear of losing money or fear of missing out a trade and the greed of making more and more money, these psychological factors, they drive the market. And I have written a book on Elliott Wave, on trading with Elliott Wave, Introduction to Elliot Wave Theory. If you guys are interested, just send me an email, and I will send you that book for free. It's available for free in PDF format. So if you guys are interested to learn more about Elliott Wave, just contact me via my website or just send me an email. Okay, US dollar yen currency pair. I think USD yen is going to rise up more, and then I expect a top and a drop in coming trading days, which is going to be bearish wave C zigzag corrective leg. If you take a look at 4-hour time frame, you can see we got big body candlesticks, the range expansion. Market is showing wicks on both sides. It's a long tail candlestick or a shadow of a candlestick, just a spike in the market. This is what I mean by volatility. So if you take a look at 1-hour time frame, as far as the trading is concerned, a good idea is to look for a possible buy trading chance with a breakout. If there is no breakout, then obviously there is no trade. Simple as that. Let's take a look at pound yen currency pair, GBPJPY currency pair, daily time frame. Same story, volatile price action, and the way I see, I think market is going to rise up. This whole thing could possibly turns into triangle pattern as well, some kind of a sideways pattern, because wave 2 was a deeper correction right over here. So it's quite possible that market is going to move sideways in pound yen currency pair, but overall it's an uptrend, and a good idea is to look for buy trades only. Next, let us take a look at 4-hour time frame. Price action is printing lower swing highs and lower swing lows. To me, it's a downtrend going on in GBPJPY currency pair 4-hour time frame. Next, let us take a look at 1-hour time frame. As far as the trading is concerned, I think it is a good idea to look for a possible buy trading chance at or around the 0.618% Fibonacci retracement level. The value is 178.26. So it is going to be an uptrend as long as price action stays above 176.27 area in 1-hour chart of GBPJPY currency pair. Next, let us take a look at US dollar Swiss franc currency pair. Now in Swiss franc currency pair, I thought that we have seen a bottom over here, but this pattern with 2 false breakouts suggests to me that market is probably going to drop more in coming trading days in US dollar Swiss franc currency pair. There's a high probability. Now I hope you guys understand that nothing works all the times. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work, but the Elliott wave, it works most of the time. Now in terms of percentage wise, the winning percentage, whether it's a forecast or whether it comes to the trade setups with Elliott wave, the patterns that people trade with, the winning percentage is usually above than 82% when it comes to Elliott wave. And with some patterns actually more than that, like 90%, especially the specific patterns that I personally trade. Okay, US dollar Swiss franc, I think it's going to remain sideways in 4-hour time frame. And as far as the 1-hour is concerned, wait for a pullback. Now before you look for a sell trade, a good idea is to wait for a bearish breakdown. Let the market turn around and start the decline. It is the price action which move the indicators. Indicators, they do not move the market. So price action is the leading indicator itself. That is also the main reason why I use the Elliott wave. Gold, yes, I'm going to talk about spot gold in a minute. Let me see. There's a question about the GBPJPY. Okay, how can we be sure that wave 1 has ended and we will see correction for wave 2, where you have mentioned that we can join uptrend? You need to count the internal wave structure. Let me write it down. Count and label the internal wave structure. Okay. I also use some technical trading tools, some indicators. Uh, you know, I hope you guys understand that I do not reveal everything over here. Uh, I have students paid courses as well, so but the forecast is different. So forecasting the market is different, trading the market is different. But like I've said earlier, a good idea is to look at the internal wave count, the internal wave structure, how the market is creating those. For example, the smaller time frame that I look at is the 1 hour. But when I'm free, I'll also check out the 30 minutes time frame and the 15 minutes and even the 5 minutes chart to check out what is going on on smaller scale or in smaller time frame. Okay, question. There's a request about AUDJPY. It is not inside the list, but anyways, I will do it. I will do the AUDJPY. Don't worry. Where should we enter? Yes, the thing is, when we are trading the market in real time, the waves are moving. Uh, then no one knows for sure. Sometimes you do get an idea, but usually you need to wait for at least minimum 5 waves move and then a 3 waves pullback, which completes the 8 wave cycle. Once it's completed, maybe in a 1 minute or in a 5 minute or in a 15 minutes time frame, then we go over to the and we say that okay, we have seen wave 1. For example, this decline over here, uh, and due to this question I'm going to show you this over here. This decline actually shows the 5 waves if you count it. Now this is the 15 minutes time frame. If you try to count, you can easily count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the internal wave structure, basically you need to check out. Now I do not go down to the 15 minutes time frame usually, because there's a lot of market noise present sometimes. So that is the reason I usually don't go to the 15. But sometimes I do check out those charts. Okay, I hope I answered some of your questions. I need to complete this thing. So US dollar, Swiss franc, wait for a breakout before you jump into the market. Next, let us take a look at gold, spot gold, right over here. Uh, this spot gold is most likely going to move sideways and then is probably going to rise up to print bullish wave B. Okay, that's what I'm looking in spot gold. If you take a look at 4 hour time frame, it took out the most recent swing low over here, and the way I see, I think it's going to remain sideways for the time being. As far as the 1 hour chart is concerned, um, to be more specific, the red color highlighted area offers a selling opportunity, which is the 0.618% Fibonacci retracement level. The value is 1973. Okay, right over here. Okay, let's take a look at Australian dollar, Aussie dollar currency pair, AUDUSD currency pair. Daily time frame, we're getting a possible triangle scenario over here, and this triangle pattern is going to remain valid as long as price action stays above 0.6594 price level. Okay, so as long as it stays above 0.6594, it is still an uptrend and the triangle pattern remains valid. Otherwise, this whole thing, let's say price is going to drop. Let's say this thing happens. And if this is going to happen, then I am going to reanalyze the price action. Okay, because it's market, it could change. And the pattern is not complete, so uh, it is possible that it could go down, and then I'm going to reanalyze it. But then it could be a zigzag scenario. Okay, there is another alternative Elliott wave count, and I always keep an alternative Elliott wave count. I always show the preferred market forecast, the preferred Elliott wave count, but I do the analysis, I do the homework, and I do not show the alternative Elliott wave count. The alternative Elliott wave count basically suggests that price action is going to break 0.6456 level in coming trading days if market is going to drop below the support area. It could go down further. Next, let us take a look at Bitcoin, and then I will take a look at some of your requests. Okay, Bitcoin, I expect a top in Bitcoin in daily time frame, and it seems to me Bitcoin is probably going to drop more to complete this bullish expanded flat pattern. If you take a look at 4-hour time frame, price action is printing lower swing highs and lower swing lows. To me, it's a downtrend in Bitcoin. Next, let us take a look at 1-hour time frame. I will create a separate video about the Bitcoin in few hours time. I will upload it as well, because on Saturday and Sunday the Bitcoin market is still open, so people trade it even on a weekend. So I will update the chart in few hours. But for the time being, for those who are interested to trade, a good idea is to wait for a bullish breakout first and then look for a buy trade in Bitcoin. Okay, there was a request about which currency pair? AUDJPY. Okay, let me see. AUD Yen. Okay, first of all, today, just delete this one. Okay, AUD Yen, most likely it's going to move sideways to complete the triangle pattern in daily chart. And if you take a look at 4-hour time frame, it took out the support, and in fact it actually took out all of them and then quickly reversed back up. There's a volatility going on. Actually, I haven't got the time to update this chart. The way I see, if you take a look at this 1 2 3 4 5, I think there's a leading diagonal going on, so I expect a deeper pullback. What I mean by that is, you draw the Fibonacci retracement level and apply the 0.786. Okay, what I mean by that is AUD Yen is most probably going to rise up first, and then I expect a possible top and a drop. It could go higher than that. Maybe it may try to test these highs of 3rd July. Okay, around 96.86 area, somewhere near to that. But most probably price action is going to rise up more. Okay, that's it for the time being from my side, and if you guys have any questions, you can also communicate with me via different ways. So from my side, have a nice day, have a nice weekend, and bye bye.